Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can create a folder in Google Drive. Yes. Sometimes you might have some files on the desktop, you want to put them into Google Drive, and that I'm going to show you how you can create a folder right there in Google Drive. So I'm going to be guiding you through this step by step. Right, as you can see right here, we're actually in Google Drive. Right, if you notice, you come to the far left right here. You notice you see the word new. Right, you want to click on it. Now when you click on the word new, notice right here, it's a new folder. I see some more stuff right there. It is an upload folder. Now that I'm going to click on new folder. If you notice right here, it's an untitled right here, so that I can actually create. So I'm going to type HTML. So this is what I'm going to name the folder as. When I finish, I can come right here and click on create. Right? If you notice, this is set to the folder that I just create right here. If I click on this, you look up pointer right here, show that right here. I can connect to more app and show that I can actually download. Notice it show that I can rename. Right here, show that I can actually share, copy link. Right, if you notice right here, show that I can actually organize. Right, I can actually like that. You notice the color of the folder change so far. You notice right here, for the information and detail, I can actually move it to the trash. Alright, so this is how you actually create a folder right in Google Drive. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.